सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द अनदर वीडियो। और जैसे कि मैंने बताया था कि इंडियन यंग प्रोफेशनल स्कीम वीज़ा स्टार्ट हो चुका है। बैलोट में एंट्री के लिए मैं प्रोसेस बता देता हूँ और आपको सिंपली यंग प्रोफेशनल स्कीम्स करके सर्च कर लेना है यूट्यूब पे। नॉट यूट्यूब, यंग प्रोफेशनल, या यंग प्रोफेशनल्स यूके और स्कीम एनीथिंग फाइन। तो आप इस पेज पे लैंड कर देना government.uk पे, और आप देख सकते हो कि इस पेज पे आके आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है। यू मस्ट बी सिलेक्टेड इन द इंडियन यंग प्रोफेशनल स्कीम बैलोट बी फॉर सिलेक्शन बिफोर अप्लाई फॉर द वीज़ा। सो ये नीचे स्क्रॉल करते ही आप देख सकते हो एंटर द बैलेट। सो आपको इस पे क्लिक करना है लिंक पे, क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी नाउ यू विल बी इन द क्यू। सो एज आई mentioned or informed you earlier that you don't have to refresh or close the this application or the web application. Don't do anything, just be in the queue. After once you reach in the queue, you will be able to enter or register your details. So you will be having 25 minutes to start your application. You should queue on the device you are going to use to apply. If you change device, you will lose your place in the queue. मुझे इस वेबसाइट पे वेट करते करते ऑलमोस्ट 1 आवर हो गया है। जैसे कि देख सकते हैं उन्होंने लास्ट स्टेटस जो अपडेट किया है 11:19 पे किया है, और मेरा एस्टिमेटेड वेट टाइम अभी 44 मिनट दिखा रहा है। तो इससे पहले जो वेटिंग टाइम दिखा रहा था, तो मैंने अभी तक इसको ना रिफ़्रेश किया है ना ही क्लोज़ किया है। एंड आई विल सजेस्ट एवरीवन जो भी अभी क्यू में है या हु द पर्सन हु आर ट्राइंग टू अप्लाई, वो ना तो आप रिफ़्रेश करना इसको, ना ही ब्राउज़र को क्लोज़ करना, ठीक है। एंड जैसे मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी बताया था, अगर आप क्लोज करके रिफ्रेश कर दोगे या कुछ भी कर दोगे, तो देन अगेन यू विल बी इन द लास्ट इन द क्यू। अभी जो है मेरा आई डोंट नो विच नंबर पे मैं हूँ, बट इन केस इफ़ आई डू रिफ्रेश और द क्लोज द ब्राउज़र एंड स्टार्ट ट्राइंग टू स्टार्ट अगेन, देन आई विल बी लास्ट इन द क्यू। सो बी पेशेंस। और वैसे भी 27 जुलाई तक है, तो यू स्टिल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम। डोंट वरी अबाउट एनी थिंग, जस्ट बी पेशेंस। और इस वेबसाइट पे ही रहना। रिफ्रेशना पे फॉलो नहीं किया है तो फॉलो कर लो। मैं अपडेट्स वगैरह उधर फॉलो मतलब अपडेट्स वगैरह उधर पब्लिश कर रहा हूँ, मतलब अपने स्टेटस वगैरह उधर डाल रहा हूँ सारा का सारा। सो इंस्टा पे फॉलो कर लेना मेरे को। सो फाइनली क्यू में ऑलमोस्ट 1 आवर वेट करने के बाद आई थिंक ये अभी एस्टिमेटेड वेट टाइम 2 मिनट्स दिखा रहा है। सो मैंने इसको रिफ़्रेश नहीं किया पेज को, ना ही क्लोज़ किया, ना ही रीस्टार्ट किया। सो एज आई सजेस्टेड अर्लियर एज वेल, जस्ट कीप वेटिंग आफ्टर लाइक 1 आवर आई विल बी इन द क्यू, and after like 1 minute or 2 minutes I will be able to fill the details or apply for the ballot. So you can see you will be having 25 minutes to start your application. So finally it's saying thanks for waiting, you are now being redirected to the website, it's your turn. So finally एक 1 आवर का वेट करते करते I am in the first in the queue. तो अभी मैं फिल करूँगा डिटेल्स, तो वो भी रिकॉर्ड करके दिखा दूँगा कि हाउ वी हैव टू फिल। सो क्रिएट यूके वीज़ाज़ एंड इमिग्रेशन अकाउंट। सो यहाँ पे मेरे को अकाउंट क्रिएट करना है। अगर आपका ऑलरेडी अकाउंट है तो आपको साइन इन कर लेना डायरेक्टली। सो बट मेरा अकाउंट नहीं है, तो आई विल क्रिएट अकाउंट। सो हु आर यू क्रिएटिंग अकाउंट फॉर दिस? फॉर माई सेल्फ। वट इज़ योर कंट्री ऑफ नेशनलिटी? ऑब्वियसली इट शुड बी इंडिया। And after this it will ask you enter your passport detail. So let me just enter my passport detail. Is India. Does your passport have an expiry date? Yes, it has. What is your expiry date? So expiry date should be below your photo on the passport. So mine is 16. So I'll hit the continue button. What is your date of birth? So date of birth should be on your passport as well. The button after entering your date of birth. What is your name? So given name should be in the passport. If you have a single name in your passport, so you have to write your first name as the surname. So after that click on continue and enter your email address which you want to use for the application and want to receive the security code. Make sure you have the access of that email particular. So on your email, the email address you have entered, they have sent you the 6-digit security code. You have to enter that and hit on continue. Getting the OTP in my Indian number, so what I did, like I have used my UK number so that I will receive the OTP as early as possible. So hit on continue. Do you want to add any helper to your account? I will simply click on no. Make sure you check your all the details, and if that are or anything is not correct, you can simply click on change. If the country is not correct, the expiry date or the name or the nationality or the date of birth, anything might possible you have entered by mistake wrong, you can simply click on change and you can make the corrections. So now I will see this is my email address and my mobile number. I will simply create the account. After I create the account, I need to log in again, so I will simply click on sign in using the passport number because I have entered the passport number. So after entering your passport number, just simply click on continue, enter your date of birth and it should be the same. After entering your date of birth, click on continue, and they just want to check how do you want to receive the security code. So I will simply click on mobile phone because it's just quicker and easier to get the OTP in the mobile phone. Security code, I will simply click on continue. So it says your applications Indian Young Professional Scheme Ballot started 25th of July, unique number I have received. So continue, click on continue for your application. Choose a different application if you want to applying for the something else, but I am applying for the Indian Young Professional Scheme Ballot system, so I will simply click on continue application. So first of all, I have to write these details: contact preferences, identity and contact. So simply click on that. Which email address we use to contact you? So simply the email address you have provided, you want to use that, so you can click on that. Otherwise, if you want to use the different email address, you can simply choose a different email address. So if you still want to change, you can click on change. Otherwise, if you want to proceed with the same address, you can simply click on continue. After this section, the first section, the identity and the contact section is completed. So there are 4 sections. After first section, you need to hit on second, that is a preparation section. So after that, I can simply say I confirm that I am the ballot applicant, age 18 or over, because I am applying for myself. So simply I will click on I am the ballot applicant, aged 18 or over. So simply click on continue. Submit an expression of interest to the Indian Young Professional Scheme. So this section is also complete. You can simply see the first and the second section is completed. Now provide evidence, that is a third option. So I will simply hit on evidence upload. As I already mentioned you that you should have a PDF and the clear format ready beforehand. So here you can see uploading your evidence. Scan or take a photo of the document. It must be clear and easy to read. Save it on your desktop. So I will simply click on continue. You don't have to hit on continue. The last time most of the student, or you can say the applicant, or simply clicked on continue without uploading the evidence. So simply hit on the upload evidence. Choose your passport. So simply upload your passport. After uploading, in case you want to see the document how it is, you can simply click on view, click on continue. In case you have uploaded a wrong document and you want to upload a new, simply click on delete button and you will be see the option to upload the passport again or document again. Simply click on continue if you think this is the correct document. So you can see one file added. After this, still you have a chance to upload the evidence, and in case you want to change the document, just simply click on continue. After that, you can see my passport copy is uploaded with the name of this. And if you still, they are giving you the option if you have uploaded the wrong document, or if you want to change it, you can simply click on change and change the passport detail. I have submitted it correctly, so I will simply click on confirm and upload. So you can see evidence uploaded. You have provided a copy of your passport photo page. What happens next? To enter the ballot, we will ask you to confirm you understand the requirements and that the information you have provided is correct. So I will
simply click on continue because there is no other option to click on. So you can see four options. Identity and contact is completed, prepared application is also completed, provide evidence, that is completed as well. But I think still you can change your uploaded document. No, you are not able to change it. You can just simply view the document you have uploaded or not. So now there is the last option, just to submit. There's the last option, the fourth section. So you just simply scroll down at the bottom of the page, you can see the confirm and submit button. So expression of interest submitted, you will receive your unique application number, and this will be your unique identification number or unique application number. And what happened next? So you will be contacted within 2 weeks of the ballot closing to confirm you whether you have been successfully in the ballot. If you are successful in the securing place in the ballot, you can apply for the youth mobility scheme visa. So before that, until you get the email, you don't have to start collecting any document or making arrangement of the fund. You don't have to do any kind of the TB test or any kind of the arrangement, whatever the requirement for the visa application. So once you receive the successful email, then only you have to start your visa application, like collecting the documents and everything. And do not apply for the visa if you have not been successful in the ballot. You will not be granted the visa, and your fee will not be refunded. In case if you apply for the visa and you have not been successful in the ballot, they will simply reject your application and not even going to refund your application fee or the visa fees whatever you have paid. So now application is done, everything is done, so you can simply click on continue, or you want to save and return later. So everything is done. This is for the video. Hopefully you will be able to make the application, or you will be able to fill the application through the ballot, and hopefully you will be selected in the ballot and you will be able to come in the UK without any hesitation. So this is for the video. You see you in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.